You are probably wondering why I look like a dinosaur right now. You're probably wondering why I'm a dinosaur. Well, all I know is because dinosaurs fly. I have proof that dinosaurs fly too. Who wants to see my proof? Everyone else is doing that jailbreak stuff. I'll do that later today, but while everyone is doing that jailbreak stuff, I would like to hang glide. It's nice. Anyway, guys, so they're going to be... Well, I wonder if we go straight up. I'm a spy because I am spying on everyone in the world. As we now know, green dinosaurs can fly. As you can see, green, but what about a red dinosaur? No one really knows about the red dinosaur. Can the red dinosaur fly? Let's check it out. I can't, really fly, but I can skydive. And here's the proof. Let's go. Wait! I forgot my parachute! Oh! I'm the best red dinosaur you'll ever see. I was in Mission Impossible. I was an Easter egg. Is that a copyrighted thing? I have no clue. I haven't watched the movie. I guess that deserves a rip you. Yeah, hashtag dinosaurs versus cows, and I'll make an animation where a cow and a dinosaur go against each other in a fight. So